Good morning guys, happy Monday and welcome back to my channel. It is currently like 8 and I really just wanted to vlog today. Also my hair is a hot mess. I'm so sorry, but it's like kind of getting to that length where I can leave it down after I dry it, kind of. I don't know, we'll see. But it's Monday, welcome back. I hope you guys had a great weekend or a great day whenever you're watching this. But today is a day to get our life back on track. You guys love these vlogs. Matt and I were at the cottage all weekend, and we're going to the cottage next weekend too. So when I come home, I like to have like a little like reset nutrition wise, clean the house, get organized, get ready for a new week. So we are going to have a super productive and fun day cleaning and getting our lives together. So yay for that. First thing I'm gonna do is drink a ton of water though, because I obviously drink more alcohol than water when I'm at the cottage. So I really try and just drink a ton of water when I get up and get moving and just kind of get my body going. So we're gonna grab some water and then I'm gonna open an Amazon package and then we'll probably start cleaning. I'm working from home today, so I'm gonna do my cleaning kind of in chunks when it gets quiet at work, but that's kind of like my plan. So let's go grab some water and open some packages. The biggest tip I have for getting back into a routine after like a cheat weekend or a cheat meal or like going to the cottage or the lake or whatever is to not beat yourself up about it. Like, you don't need to starve your body afterwards. Your body still needs nutrients, and just feed it things that it wants. Listen to your cravings, listen to your intuitions, and just eat what your body wants, but don't deprive your body over something that's in the past. So big tip, okay? But I'm gonna open some packages. I'm so excited about this one, you guys. Long story short, I bought some Shop Amanda Made clay earrings back in March when the pandemic started. Then the package got lost, so she sent me another one, which I'm still waiting on. But then the original one just showed up, like literally 3 months later. So I'm gonna have a whole giveaway with them, so make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. But this is the original package that she sent me and I'm so excited. I'm gonna open it for you guys and show you guys. And then I have another one coming with different earrings. Little card, and look how cute it is. I'm dying. And then there's a code on here which I can put in the description for you guys. I think it's Carter 10. Cute stickers, which are so cute. She sent me this one, which is like kind of like the earrings I have. Then Sunny Days Ahead. This one's like a little, you know, rock star thing. So these are the ones she sent me. I'm so obsessed. I'll leave all her links down below for you guys. I'm not a big earring person, so I'm trying to go out of my comfort zone. I got those. I got these cute little star studs. I love these. I wear so many plain outfits to work, so I think they'll be cute to like dress up my outfits. And then these ones are my favorites. So thank you so much. I know she might be watching this, so thank you so much, Amanda. But like I said, when the other package comes, I'll show you guys that one as well. But I'll put all my links down below for you guys to shop. But so cute. And look at the wrapping paper. It's so stinking cute. Thank you, Amanda. You're the sweetest. Open this bad boy. If I could go like maybe 2 days without buying an Amazon package, it would be great. My bathroom closet, you guys already know, it needs help. When I did my whole like organize the house with me video, I didn't have anything to put in the closet. I didn't have anything to put in the pantry for the bathroom, but I need to organize it so bad. So I got some things to organize and I'm really excited. So that's what this is. Just a 2-tiered turntables, like a 2-tier Lazy Susan. I think it'll be good for my bathroom to put like makeup on one and hair stuff on one. It just looks like this. We're gonna organize it later, so don't you guys even worry, but this is what it looks like. I'm thinking I could put like taller stuff on the top one. There's an earring organizer for like all my earrings that I'm getting. I think you literally just put it in the hole, so we can put that together now. So with like the bigger ones like this, I want to be able to like see them. So I have this, super. Get on some emails for a little bit and then we will start our fun cleaning adventure. So it's a little while later. It's currently 10 and you guys ask me all the time how I make my cold brew and stuff, so I figured I would just show you guys how I do it. It's so simple and easy, and we let ours sit or steep overnight for like 12 hours, but you guys can do it for less time. I've literally done it like French press coffee, put it in the fridge for like an hour and then drank it, and it's totally fine. It just won't be like as strong, I guess, but I want to show you guys kind of how we do it. It is so simple and easy. I got this at the grocery store a while ago and I want to try it. It's super easy. Apparently you just like take the packets and then put them in the pitcher and then let it go overnight for 12 hours, but I don't have a pitcher or anything big enough, so we're not going to use that. But this is an alternative. I know most grocery stores by this point probably have some kind of like this. It's just like a pouch. You put the pouch in the thing and you let it sit. French press, which isn't too big, but it's kind of like the biggest thing that we do, and it makes me about like 2 glasses of iced coffee. And so what you do is obviously up to you. This is Matt and I's all-time favorite coffee because it's Disney coffee. If you're a Disney fan, you would know. This is our favorite coffee. We have like 6 bags of these. So this is what I typically do my cold brew with. King Horse coffee lately. This is the Three Sisters medium one. So we just got this on Amazon. I can link it for you guys. And then we keep our coffee in like airtight containers. So 6 tablespoons, and then fill this up with cold water and let it steep overnight. Cheers everybody, a little update. We have iced coffee and I just kind of got dressed for the day, and by dressed I threw on an oversized t-shirt and bike shorts. Shirt is from Aerie. I love it so much. It's got a little pocket, and then I'm just wearing my like kind of comfy bike shorts, not like my workout material ones. And we're gonna organize the bathroom. I'm so excited. I'm in such a good friggin' mood today. And then I want to get ready and shoot some content. I'm shooting a bunch of content with Chloe, who's basically like my personal assistant, and just shoot content when I need it because I'm trying to ramp up my Instagram game. But we're gonna try and shoot some content on my own with the earrings I got. And yeah. I love this thing so much. It looks so good. I mean, obviously I don't have a lot of earrings, but I think it looks good. There's more on the way, which makes me happy, and then I just need to figure out which of these 2 I'm going to shoot today. But yeah, that's kind of what it looks like. I really like it. I'll link it down below for you guys if you're interested. Condensed everything into this wicker basket, and then we're just gonna like kind of get rid of that basket, and I don't really know what to do with this, but I like it. The only issue is that our bathroom, like the thing is too narrow, like I can't really fit anything on it, so I might end up putting this in the pantry. I don't know, we'll see, stay tuned. But for now it has like a lot of everyday stuff in it, like Q-tips, bobby pins, elastics, nail polish, makeup wipes, and like all smaller stuff that fits on here. But the issue is I just don't have a lot of stuff, so I feel like this might be better off in the pantry, but we'll see. And then I'm still trying to get something to organize my makeup. Like, it's honestly just all in here, and then I have my earrings there. So, I mean, I think it definitely looks better, but it could still use some, you know, help. Bathroom is organized. I have to leave soon to pick up that order, the tie-dye order, but I figured we would just do my least favorite thing first and get it out of the way, which is cleaning the fridge. I hate cleaning the fridge out. I don't know why. I just hate it. But we're gonna do it. Also, I'm gonna show you guys what I ended up doing with the extra little like thing that we had from the bathroom. I organized the cupboard a little bit, which I didn't vlog, I'm sorry, but I just kind of did that, and then I just put it down here, which makes it look 10 times more organized. Wow, I'm so glad I put that there. But then did that. Just kind of like restocked things we were running out of from the extra shelf, like back into the regular shelf. And yeah. Wow, guys, is it bad that new mailboxes are like the highlight of my day? Because this is so exciting. Look how nice and new they are. Wow. Okay, we made it in the car and I got packages and I have no idea what they're from or what they're for, but we're going to go pick up my tie-dye. But I have no idea what these are. Okay, so like I said, in Ottawa, it's mandatory to wear masks in indoor spaces now. And as much as I normally have a mask with me, like the other day, Matt and I went to go pick up Starbucks and I didn't have a mask, so we couldn't go. But anyways, oh my God, it's so cute. Okay, I'll link it down below. This one's from Etsy. I think I showed you guys this in my week in my life, but this one's just like pretty lightweight. Oh, so cute. And I mean, come on, it's cute. So just go to, so cute. Oh my God, I love this one. Wow, this is awesome. I don't even know how I'm gonna open this in the car. I'm so excited. Okay, if you guys are new to my channel, I have a Disney problem. I love Disney World so much. I'm an annual pass holder. Disney World is like my place. I love it. I go like 3 or 4 times a year. I love Disney World. And my favorite character is Olaf, obviously, but my second favorite character is Sorcerer Mickey. I love Sorcerer Mickey so much, and I've been searching for this book for so long. Oh my God, I love Fantasia. Anyways, I love Sorcerer Mickey so freaking much, and I've been wanting this book for so long. It is the original Sorcerer's Apprentice Fantasia kids book, and I got it on a vintage shop in Great Britain, and I got it, and I'm so excited about it. So that was my little haul, and now we're gonna get my tie-dye stuff, so we'll have more face masks. I'm so excited. Like the smell of gas, or is it just me? Because I love the smell of gas. Got back home, it's 11:50, got my mask order. I'm so excited to show you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, they're so cute. Okay, I got 2 masks just because I kind of want to have them like everywhere with me. I want to have them in my car, Matt's car, and my purse, my backpack. So I got 2 tie-dye masks. I will leave for links down below if you guys are like local to the Ottawa area, but I just got a gray one and a pink one, and I'm so excited. They are just so cute. I love them. Oh my God, they're so cute. And then I treated myself. Oh, I'm so excited about this, you guys. What the flying heck. Okay, I wanted a tie-dye hoodie and I can't find them anywhere unless it's like an American boutique that charges up the butthole for it. So she made one. She makes like tie-dye stuff. So it is just a gray tie-dye hoodie. I am obsessed with it. Oh my God, I can't wait to put this on. I think I'm gonna try and take a cute Instagram picture with it at like my desk or something. But I'm so excited. Yay, I'm so happy with this. I will link all of her stuff down below for you guys. If you're interested, check her out. She's in the Ottawa area. And I am going to make some breakfast now. This is my weird looking breakfast slash lunch. I was not in the mood for breakfast foods today, so guess what? We're not having them, but I'm just having a rainbow bagel with a turkey, lettuce, and brie sandwich. My lettuce looks so weird today. And then just a green smoothie. I wasn't in the mood for protein powder, so I didn't put any in, but it's just like a yogurt, strawberries, bananas, spirulina powder, spinach. Yummy goodness. So I'm gonna have this, and then I'm going to catch up with some work emails, and I'll touch base with you guys after lunch. Hi guys, so it is a while later. Well, it's actually 2:30. I'm getting ready to head off to the hospital to work, but I want to show you guys super quick the cold brew, how it turns out, make another coffee because I have a coffee addiction. It's my 3rd coffee of the day. So I let it sit for like 6 hours, not even maybe, but I'm gonna have it because I don't want to wait any longer. But like I said, you can still do that. It's just not as strong. But I'm gonna show you guys kind of the coffee, and then we're gonna head off to work. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I didn't want to end it without showing you guys the cold brew. Okay, that's how much like a full French press makes. So like probably about 2 cups of coffee, I'd say. But oh, it smells so good. Oh my God, I'm so excited to have it. So I just made a coffee. Here we go. We got it. Cheers. I hope you guys try to make your own cold brew, and let me know what coffee grinds you guys use because I'm always open to trying new coffees. Let me know down below how you guys make your coffee. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, had a nice way, the productive Monday we had. Let me know down below what videos you guys want to see. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!